mantras and singing the mantras. There are two angles, the angle of sound and angle of pronunciation, the posture of tongue and the use of our ear to listen to the sound beyond what we can hear. And the mantra is the science to connect to the entire body, to the entire mind, and to the entire soul. Mantra is the mechanism which uses the Yantr, the tool, Tantr, the technique. It uses the tone, it uses the rhythm, and it uses the silence. In the house of Guru Nanak, in the world of Naad Yoga, in the school of Guru Nanak, the Sikh of Guru Nanak uses this sound in a particular way. Listening skills and the expression and then the composition. First we need to understand how to listen to our mind. First we need to understand how to listen to the divine word from the soul. First we need to learn how to listen to our body. Then composition happens, then expression will be there, then communication will happen. That is the purpose of the mantra. In the school of Guru Nanak, what happens? Satguru gives 60 different moods and the musical modes. Through these moods, once we learn, once we hear these microtone, semitones, it evokes that emotion which cannot be expressed. For example, words can have very many different meanings. Sit down, or sit down, sit down. Same word, but three different meanings, three different ways we can relate to this word. And if we take that emotion, that punctuation of the mood away, there will be no meaning. And that is the purpose of Naad Yoga on the mantra. Therefore, in the school of Guru Nanak, every single mantra have a prescription. Guru Nanak teaches us how to chant the mantra. For example, mantra in Rag Gaudi, in the mood of glory, mood of positivism, mood of cutting through the stress and the ego using this mode of music. And the mantra is Ad Gur-e Namah. When we put two together, the mood and the message, the result is so incredible. The result is a communication. The result is a happiness. So let's chant, let's sing, but let's first learn about how Guru wants us to communicate. What is the art of communication? What is the science to connect? Using the sound, using our own ear, our own voice, our own moods and expression. Let's punctuate the life in a very composed manner. Let's learn and let's sing the praise using the mantra in the prescription of the master in the Naad Yoga.